Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I want to show you exactly how to make money with TikTok and monetize your TikTok account and some of the numbers and some of the milestones that you have to reach first. But what's interesting is TikTok has this thing called the TikTok Creator Fund, where they basically have a pool of money. They started with $200 million and are raising it all the time. And they pay creators for the amount of views they get on their videos. Now let me show you this. This is just on the TikTok app that I pulled up here, but the Creator Fund is just one of the many ways you can make money on TikTok. There are also other ways like the Creator Marketplace. This is where you work with sponsors and brands and basically mention their product or service in your videos. This one requires 100,000 followers though. And then you could go live on TikTok and there's live gifting. So these are basically the three main ways you could make money on TikTok. Now there are a bunch of other ways too, like affiliate marketing and linking out to your YouTube and things like that. But right now I want to focus on this one for this video, the Creator Fund. Let me kind of show you what you need for this. So to be eligible for this is based on just a few countries at the time that I'm recording this video. So you could pause it here and read the countries here, just a few: US, UK, Germany, and on. I'm in the US here. So in the US, you have to be at least 18 years old, which is also true in all other countries. You have to have 10,000 authentic followers, and I'll show you how I got that. 100,000 authentic views. It used to be only 10,000 authentic views, but now it's 100,000 in just the last 30 days. Post original videos in line with our community guideline. So make sure you're eligible for all these. I actually got to this point with just one video I just uploaded yesterday. And I'll kind of break that down in an upcoming video on the video structure that helps you go viral on TikTok. Okay, let's say you have all that. Let me show you exactly how to turn that on right now on your TikTok app. So here I'm on the TikTok app. This is the video that basically got me past the 10,000 followers and 100,000. This got 1,100,000 in about a day. So you could easily go viral. Now I've only been basically consistently uploading for 5 days at this point, and before I was just experimenting. So I'll make a video exactly on how to structure a TikTok video to get to this point next. But to apply, press the three dots here, and then you want to go to manage account on this page. Now right here, if you don't have a creator account, you have to switch over to a creator account. So if yours doesn't say personal or business, you're basically on an account that's completely personal. You got to press switch to pro account. Do that first. Then it automatically set mine to business, but business accounts can't join. I have to switch over to creator first. So I have to switch over. It says if you have a business account, which is what I have here, but if you have a personal, you still have to go to the creator type. So I'm gonna switch anyway here, and then it's gonna ask you to choose a category. I'm in media here, and press next, and then choose that. And now I have a creator account, okay? So I'm gonna press done. Then to apply, once you have a creator account, this new section shows up. For a business account, it says business, but for creator, it says creator tools. Go here, and there's an option here called TikTok Creator Fund. Go to that, and it's gonna basically tell you all the things that I mentioned earlier: 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in 30 days, 18 available in country. I'm gonna press continue, apply, and verify. It's gonna bring me to this page. Again, I'm gonna verify my age here, 18, and then I'll fill out this information here to make sure they could verify my birth date. Then it's gonna bring me to this page where I gotta upload a file or take a picture of like a driver's license. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I submitted that, my license here. So let me press X on this. And it actually logged me out of my account. So I had to log back in here. Now let me press the three dots here, and let's go to Creator Tools and back to TikTok Creator Fund here. And it says it's under review, and it says notification around 20 minutes. So that's pretty good. Let's see what happens when they review that. I'll give you an update. And in my case, it only took about 3 minutes. And then when I checked that same page again, I got to this page here. So it says choose your currency. I'm in the US. I'm gonna choose that. Looks like I gotta fill out my tax information here. You will be directed to your electronic tax form generator. So I'm gonna fill this out. and then I'll just fill out the rest of these forms. I'll let you know if there's anything you need to know about. I just filled out the tax information, and for some reason I couldn't do it under my business name, so I did it under my personal name, which is okay. Just different numbers I had to put in for my social security, then my EIN number. And let me go to the creator fund one more time to see what's going on now, and it's bringing me back to this page, but I set everything up, so I'm gonna ignore this for now, and hopefully that will update with some numbers. Again, I'll make follow-up videos on this very soon. And I finally got to this page. I was getting an error message though that says wait 24 hours. So the first time I had to wait 24 hours, and then I went through the process one more time, and it just brought me to this page finally. And the balance is gonna show 0, obviously, because I just joined, and it says it takes at least 3 days to process updates. Check back later for your balance. And then it has a FAQ section here to read more. So your very first goal for monetizing on TikTok could be the TikTok Creator Fund, and then you could kind of amplify it from there and do affiliate marketing, sponsorship deal with the TikTok marketplace, and ton more. And I'll make upcoming videos on that as I use my TikTok account more and more with the monetization options available to me. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for easy to follow tech videos and social media videos, and I'll see you next time.